Hello and welcome students. In this video we are going to see the importance of anatomy and physiology. Why we need to study anatomy and physiology, or why is it needed by the physical trainer to know about the body structure and function. First is the physical trainer or the person, a physically fit person, gets knowledge about the various organs in the body, how they are correlated to each other, how they help each other, and how this whole organ system forms one organism, how they work in coordination among themselves. Second is the function of each and every organ, and how the function of one organ is related to the other. If one organ is not functioning well, how it will affect the other. For example, if the body is not purifying the blood, then the brain does not get the proper signal, and in return the brain does not send back the proper signal. So getting the signal and sending back the answer, there will be some problem and the body will not function well. So function of each and every organ is also important. Third one is, when a person is aware of the anatomy and physiology, the person can easily find out or help a person who has a sports injury, which is very commonly observed in the fields where the players play, for example cricket or football, and if anything goes wrong while playing, immediately a physiotherapist or a doctor whom we call, they come and they help them out. Then comes rehabilitation. You have heard about great sports person who undergo some injury and for that they need some surgery. So this is also under the able guidance of a physical trainer or a doctor who is aware of this. The physical trainer is most of the time a physiotherapist who has a thorough knowledge of sports and the body. Then comes selection. Sometimes a team has to be selected for certain sports. During the selection, based on the fitness of an individual, they are selected. Sometimes one of the players may not be fit enough. So even if he has a past record of playing very nicely, still is not selected in the team. The reason behind it is because of the lack of physical fitness. Then while imparting training, that is when an individual is trained, it is totally depend on how much the player can take. Then comes chemical changes. When a person is into sports, playing sports, games, or doing exercises, hormonal changes take place in the body. And these hormonal changes have got a lot of things to do with the different things in the body. The mood, the body, the activity. So all this knowledge is obtained once one is aware of anatomy and physiology. Then after all these things, if we see the physical training between men and women or boys and girls, there is a vast difference because of the difference in the body structure, because of the difference in the different hormones secreted by their body. So this difference between the male and the female is also necessary in order to impart training. The same set of exercise cannot be equal for men and women. There has to be some difference. So person who is aware of this can do a better training. Then whenever while playing there is a problem, a person faces an individual or a sports person faces some problem, the first aid that is administered can be only on the basis of a trainer's knowledge. Whether it is a muscle sprain, whether it is a bone injury, whether it is a ligament fracture, whatever it is, that first aid before taking them to the hospital or to the doctor is necessary. Then physical fitness. The training, as I said, is imparted based on the person's fitness. One of the person may be very fit, the other may be less fit. So in both the cases, they have to be at par, only then they can be given the same exercise. And lastly and not the least, that is sports massage. Massage is needed by the body to make the muscles and the tissues strong. So this tissue becomes strong, or the muscles become strong, and sometimes toxins are also removed from the cells. That is only possible by massage, and this massage can be imparted only under the perfect supervision of a person or a trainer who is aware of anatomy and physiology.